The innovation of cars with electric power has been pioneered since the 1880s. But it turns out that electric cars in the past were not as sophisticated as they are now. Electric cars are considered more environmentally friendly than cars with fuel oil. The most important parts of an electric car are battery power, electric motor and motor control module. Talking about electric cars, here's a list of the 11 best electric cars in 2021 to 2022. Number 1. Porsche Taycan. Porsche is a German production that prioritizes the performance and appearance of the car. All of that is present in their pure electric car, the Porsche Taycan. Best of all, that's what the car has to offer. Despite being a fully electric vehicle, the DNA of the Porsche sports car is a pattern that repeats itself across the Taycan models. Starting from the acceleration to the responsiveness of the steering wheel and corners. The Taycan has as much horsepower advantage as you're willing to pay for with its elegant interior. With a 93 kWh battery life and standard four-wheel drive in the form of the most expensive GTS, the Turbo and Turbo S provide a maximum range of around 300, 280 and 260 miles, respectively. The entry-level Taycan 4s and Taycan 4s both offer a choice of 79 or 93 kWh batteries, with a claimed maximum range of between about 250 and 300 miles depending on exact specs. So that's why this car is overall the best of its competitors. Number 2. BMW i4. Looking for the small electric car, but also has a best specification, this car is the answer. The BMW i4 looks like an electric version of the BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. This model uses a sizable 83.9 kWh lithium-ion battery and BMW somehow managed to fit it under the floor. The electric car packs an impressive electric tech from the outside, apart from a solid plastic grille, aerodynamic wheels and glimpses of blue highlights. Number 3. BMW iX3. BMW iX3 is the best mid-size electric car which provides a lot of comfort and relaxation of the trip. This car has a 74 kWh battery and constant efficiency in every driving condition. The BMW iX3 has also proven to be one of the best electric cars in terms of mileage as it can cover a distance of more than 500 kilometers with intelligent and reliable guidance in most situations. Number 4. Tesla Model X. If you are looking for a car with a large size, this car has the largest storage space and capacity of all electric SUVs. This car can even accommodate up to 7 adults. The Tesla Model X has plenty of room in the front seat for several adults and makes it easy for almost anyone to feel comfortable thanks to the various adjustments to the steering wheel and driver's seat. All of this is done electrically. The Model X also leads the way when it comes to safety technology. You get lots of advanced systems designed to help prevent collisions and can even steer, accelerate and brake automatically on the highway. Number 5. Rivian R1. The Rivian R1s is an SUV that promises the best performance on and off the road. The car's designers elevate the skateboard architecture that mounts the battery under the passenger compartment, giving this SUV a low center of gravity. The R1s has a ground clearance of 14.5 inches for better off-road performance. Rivian claims to be able to offer excellent acceleration with acceleration up to 60 in 3.0 seconds. Number 6. BMW Electric i8 Roadster. The BMW i8 Roadster is a breakthrough in the electric car world. It is the first plug-in hybrid sports car in BMW's production, with an electric generator that can propel the car for 37 kilometers. The design itself is like a supercar. This can be seen in the body lines that characterize this large car with fierce power. This can be seen from the flat hood, various aerodynamics, short overhangs, long wheelbase and large wheel tracks. Number 7. Audi Q4 e-tron. If you're questioning whether all-electric power is the right choice for a family SUV, then the Audi Q4 e-tron has all the answers. The all-electric e-tron Q4 fulfills all expectations for a family car vehicle as it is well designed, practical and relaxing to drive with the family. The car is expected to be the German company's biggest selling behind the A3 hatchback. Number 8. Jaguar I-Pace. If you are looking for the most high-tech electric car, I-Pace provides an effortlessly connected experience. All features and information are already available on the screen and can be accessed via your smartphone. Everything you need is within easy reach. This electric car has a variety of standard technologies to assist the driver, including automatic high beams and blind spot monitoring, and is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system that makes driving easier. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz EQC. The Mercedes-Benz EQC is a high-end electric car that is very comfortable to drive and has a spacious and sturdy cabin. At the front of the car is a sweeping chrome grille that flows into the two narrow headlights, while on the sides you will see a more curved roofline and some more beautiful window openings. This car is equipped with an advanced EQC driver assistance system to help relieve stress when you are on a long journey. Just like other Mercedes models, this car allows to accelerate, brake and steer you to keep you in your lane. Number 10. Tesla Roadster. If you are looking for the fastest electric car in 2021, Tesla Roadster is the answer. Elon Musk once said the Tesla Roadster would be equipped with rocket propulsion to reach speeds of 0 to 60 in 1.1 seconds. As you can imagine, driving this version of the Roadster is not for the mentally weak. In his tweet, Musk said that this car is going to be very intense, and it may not be wise for those with medical conditions to drive this car because the speed is just like riding a hard roller coaster. Number 11. Lotus Evija. Lotus Evija is a car that can produce power almost equivalent to 2,000 horsepower. The car also claims this makes it the most powerful production car on the planet Earth. Aiming at a total output of 1972 horsepower, 2,000 metric horsepower, with a targeted 0 to 62 mph time of under 3 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Isn't it quite astonishing? So that's the 11 best electric cars in 2021 to 2022. Which one is your favorite electric car? Which one did you like the most? Don't forget to tell us the answer in the comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe so you never miss another video, and thank you for sticking up with us. We'll see you back soon.